Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best glass for solar panels that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. Let's dive right in. Coming in at number 4 is the Kanayu 30 Pieces Small Solar Panels DIY System Kit. This set of 30 mini polycrystalline panels is perfect for hobbyists and those who love DIY projects. Each panel delivers 3 volts and 120 milliamps, with a compact size of 60 by 55 millimeters. The panels can be connected in series or parallel for more flexibility, making them highly modular and versatile for various applications like garden lighting, small electronic devices, or educational setups. The design of these panels is durable, featuring quality glass and resin construction that resists wind and snow. They are lightweight yet solid, with pre-attached wires that simplify the setup process. Performance-wise, the panels offer a decent conversion rate and high output efficiency under direct sunlight, but like most small panels, they aren't ideal for large-scale energy generation or low-light conditions. This product is a great choice for anyone looking to experiment with solar energy or work on creative solar-powered projects. Its strengths lie in its modularity, ease of use, and wide applicability, but it's not suitable for heavy-duty or high-power applications. Pros include the affordable multi-unit package and durability, while cons include limited individual panel power and dependency on optimal sunlight. At number 3, we have the Shababy Solar Panel Cleaner, a unique product in this lineup. While it's not technically a solar panel, it plays a crucial role in maintaining the efficiency of your existing panels. This ultra-concentrated formula makes up to 150 gallons of cleaning solution, providing a cost-effective way to keep your panels free from dirt, grime, bird droppings, and water spots. Independent tests show that regular use can increase energy output by up to 21.5%, which is a significant boost for both residential and commercial installations. The cleaner is industrial-grade yet eco-friendly, free of ammonia and harmful chemicals. It's easy to apply. Just spray, wipe, and rinse, and it dries streak-free, leaving your panels looking brand new. Designed for glass, thin film, and textured surfaces, it's compatible with manual sprayers, telescopic poles, and pressure washers. The quick-dry formula ensures no residue or scratching, helping you maintain optimal panel performance. If you already own solar panels, the Shababy Solar Panel Cleaner is a must-have accessory to maximize their efficiency and longevity. It's perfect for professionals or DIY enthusiasts who prioritize maintenance. Pros include concentrated value, streak-free cleaning, and eco-friendliness, while cons are limited to its usage as a maintenance product rather than a power-generating device. Taking the second spot is the Sunima 10 Pieces Mini Monocrystalline Solar Cells Solar System Kit. These compact solar cells measure just 50 millimeters by 50 millimeters, making them ideal for DIY enthusiasts looking to create solar-powered models, toys, displays, or small electronics. Each panel delivers 2 volts and 160 milliamps, with a high conversion efficiency of up to 23.5%. This ensures reliable performance for its size, even on cloudy days. The panels feature epoxy resin AB glue and a glass fiber base plate, providing durability and resistance to outdoor elements. While compact, they are thoughtfully designed for easy integration into various projects. Performance-wise, they excel in direct sunlight, but may struggle slightly in low-light conditions, which is expected for panels of this size and voltage. This kit is perfect for hobbyists or educators working on smaller-scale projects. Its high efficiency and versatility make it a standout choice for creative applications. Pros include its compact design, high conversion rate, and suitability for DIY projects, while cons are limited power output and a niche use case that might not appeal to all consumers. Finally, in the number 1 spot, we have the Renogy 100-watt solar panel N-type. This premium solar panel sets the benchmark for efficiency and durability, boasting a 25% conversion efficiency, 20 watts higher than conventional PERC panels of the same design. It uses advanced 16BB cell technology to enhance photoelectric conversion while reducing hot spots and hidden cracks, ensuring a longer lifespan and superior performance. The build quality is exceptional, featuring low iron tempered glass and corrosion-resistant aluminum frames. Rated IP65, it's designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, including snow, rain, and high temperatures. The low temperature coefficient minimizes power loss in extreme heat, making it ideal for summer months or hot climates. With a 25-year warranty and low degradation rates, this panel is built to last. Renogy's 100-watt solar panel is perfect for off-grid systems, RVs, boats, trailers, and farms. It's a premium investment for those who demand high efficiency and reliability. Pros include unmatched efficiency, durability, and long-term reliability, while cons are its higher upfront cost and heavier build. If you're serious about solar energy, this is the panel to choose. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.